Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I will tell you how to reset color settings in Windows 11 in your PC. So for resetting the color setting in your Windows 11, you have to first of all go to your PC settings. So we will go to the settings of our PC. You have to go to the Windows icon in your taskbar and right click over it. After you right click over it, click on settings. After you click on setting, you have to go to the left side system option. Then here on the right side you will see an option display. After you click on display, you will see different more settings. Here you have to go to the advanced display option. After you click on this, from the first option you have to select the display of which you have to change the setting of color. I have only one display. If you have an external display, you can change its setting also. Then you have to go to the internal display setting from here. Click on display adapter properties. After this pop-up window will appear and you have to click on color management here. Then after this you have to click on below color management here. Then this window will appear. You have to go to advanced settings. Then after you go below, you will see here change system defaults. Click here. Then again you have to go to advanced settings above. Click on this advanced. Then here you will see use Windows display calibration option. You have to tick mark this option. After tick marking this option, you have to close these all windows. Your color management setting will be get resetted to default. I hope this worked in your PC too, in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video.